No girl can't see me and cause problem. Them a man clown so me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them. Tell them this a real Shenyang anthem. No girl can't see me and start problem. Them a man clown so me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them. Tell them this a real Shenyang anthem. Now fight no girl over no man, me no idiot. If me I take your
Hey queens, welcome back to another video on my wonderful channel. So yes, my hair is pretty popping today and my shirt is cute. Like I'm just feeling myself today. I installed my own frontal wig for the first time. If y'all want to see a video on that, then you could check the description down below or just go click on my last video. So today I'm back with another hair unboxing video, and this time it is from the company Beauty Forever. And if you're not familiar with this company or this hair company, you can click their information down below. So I will be unboxing a 24-inch Brazilian lace front wig, and I'm so excited because I love straight hair too. I like my curly hair, but I also love straight hair, especially long straight hair. Like, so I just want to say thank you, Beauty Forever, for, you know, reaching out to me and doing this collab with me. So yeah, let's just get right into the unboxing. I'm actually like super hyped right now. I was so hyped. I'm like, oh my god, my wig came, guys. Oh my god, oh my god. And everybody was like, I don't care, Kayla. Nobody cares, Kayla. Nobody cares about your wig, Kayla. I'm like, y'all just mad because y'all don't have 24 inches of beauty. So I'm unboxing it, and hold on. What that say? Beauty Forever. Here's their information, and like I said, I will leave their info in the description box down below. So the box is dead cute. You know, they're little, you know. And then at the back, it's like measures, It's like Q&A, frequently asked questions, how to wash after washing a wig, do not dry as a whole, but carefully dry piece by piece, how to maintain human hair and wig in shape. After usage, remove the wig, station on wig stand. All these little like advice, and I actually like the fact that they put, you know, advice at the back, because some people don't really know how to maintain wigs. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So basically, I see more frequently asked questions, how to maintain the hair, secrets to making your human hair wig look natural, all their social media information, the length stuff, all that good stuff. All that good stuff is on this little sheet right here. Let's just take the hair out. And y'all, ooh, wow, okay. So they did it with the lashes. I feel like most hair companies give lashes. But yeah, and they gave me a free wig cap. And like you know, I got my baby Sarah right here to, her name is Sarah, right? Yeah. To model this wig for you guys, since I already have one on my head, boo-hoo. And I'll also be doing a hair install on this wig. So let's get into this wig. And y'all know I love my lace. Y'all know I love my baby hairs, and I can already see. So the direct link to this hair will be in the description. Hold on, y'all, hold on. Bro. All right, so this is the 24-inch Brazilian wig. Like, I'm so happy right now. Y'all don't understand. Y'all know I be dragging stuff sometimes. I know that too. But like, nah. Oh, I gotta like cut this cardboard piece. Hold on. All right. Let me try not to cut the actual hair. Shaboom, shabam. Yo, I'm really in love. Alright, so let's get a little close-up of the lace, because y'all know how I love my lace. So yes, this is a frontal wig, so of course the lace goes all around. There's also lace at the back, so just in case I want to put my hair up in a bun or a ponytail, there's lace there too. It comes with a decent amount of baby hairs. I'm probably gonna have to like pluck it more. This hair feels so freaking good. I have not had a straight weave or straight hair in so long. I've just been sticking with my curly hair. But just wait till I put this on. Slay with your bad self. Slay with your bad self. Nah. I could already give the baddie vibes right now. Like, just putting it right here, I'm already a baddie. Just putting it on top of my head, I'm already a bro. Alright. So we're gonna put it on my mannequin baby. My baby Sarah. I put her through so much hell with this wig that I have on my head right now. So this is how it looks. I'm probably gonna like bleach the knots, but y'all, I probably should brush this out with like my paddle brush, but I can't find it right now. Guys, Beauty Forever, you really hooked me up. Like, I'm not even capping right now. This hair is, oh my God, bro. And again, like, it's enough baby hairs in the front and it looks so natural already, and I'm gonna make it look even more natural. Yeah, y'all really did that. Y'all did that. The hair is so smooth and so soft. Like, I'm not capping at all. I really cannot wait to wear this freaking wig. I'm not over exaggerating. I'm not dragging it. No. So I'm standing right here. Y'all see how it flows so naturally and so like so freely. So like the wig that I have on my head right now, there's also an elastic band at the back to tighten it, and I find that very helpful. So I'm happy that this wig has that. And it's just because like sometimes when I have wigs on, like it's not tight enough for me, so I have to like really tighten it. So yeah, I really appreciate that about this wig. So that was like my reaction is probably hilarious. But y'all, I'm telling y'all need to get y'all hair from Beauty Forever. And when I tell you I'm about to finesse this wig, I'm really about to finesse this wig. And I know it can curl, you can curl wand it, you can customize it, pluck the baby hairs, bleach the knots, everything. Like, I really love this wig so much, and I'm being 100% transparent right now. This wig is so beautiful and soft, and I really cannot wait to put this on my head. So like I said before, I will leave the link to this hair down below, and don't forget that I'm gonna do a hair installment video, so stay tuned. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yo, look at her. Look at her. She's so beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.